Good morning and welcome to today's pre-market video. If you're just joining the channel, I do this every day. Video goes out about 9:30 a.m. West African time, just 30 minutes or so before the Nigerian equities market opens. So you can get and watch previous pre-market videos on the channel, as well as market close videos, what I call daily market summary. You can also find them on the channel as well. Before we get right into it, please like, share, subscribe. It helps to grow the channel. It helps with the YouTube algorithms. Thank you for everyone who does so. Every like, share, subscription matters, and I don't take it for granted because you really do not owe me. I mean, there's a bunch of content on the internet, and so really anyone who decides to take their time, spend their data going through this content, it's much appreciated. As always, please note that content is not investment or trading advice. They are not stock picks. In fact, in some cases, fundamentals may not even be the most optimum. But the first criteria, and you'd see it in the next page, is that I look at price and volume movement, and I look at corporate action. So as long as these factors are in play, and they should be in play, then it's only normal that I will look at some of these stocks. Insurance sector remains on my watch list. Insurance stocks have been on a tear since last week, following news of the president signing a revised insurance act. Now, the stocks I've picked, Prestige, Royal Exchange, Regency Alliance, they're still trading in lower digits, and I still think they could move upwards. So you may have the bigger insurance stocks, the NEM, the custodian, I think a couple of other stocks are in the lower double digits. You may have those pull back a bit, but I think these ones may still run a bit because at what 5 naira and below for most of these stocks, there is some room to run. Now, the degree to which they will run, I don't know. It's also possible that if the broader insurance space begins to lose steam, then these stocks would lose steam as well. UACN rebounded yesterday and may continue to do so. I believe in the midterm, this stock will continue to range trade in the mid 70s to 90s. I think a few days ago, dropped just under 70, or at least I saw it under 70 sometime in a trading session some days back. So I think it will continue to range trade in this band. And so for players who are short term in nature, maybe that's something that they would definitely look at. Thomas Wyatt stock fell yesterday following release of unaudited FY24 results, which showed a loss. I expect a further dip. I think Thomas Wyatt was actually the worst performing stock yesterday, so I think it will dip further because unaudited full year results showing a loss. Really, when you look at the numbers, stock is trading just above 3 naira. I don't see anything in the fundamentals that justify that valuation simply because this company has been loss making for a while. A few other firms that I didn't put in the list, but I'll just talk about. You have the likes of the Okomu and Presco. I believe I saw Okomu trading below the 1,000 naira mark. Let me just confirm. But whichever way it is, definitely that's a stock that is in play. If market sentiments continue to dip, um, then you may see that stock pull back as well. I just want to confirm the numbers. Okomu closed flat 1020 yesterday, 10,000 naira and 20, 1,020 naira. Yeah, digits can be hard in fraction. So Okomu closed at 1,020 naira yesterday, but I saw some trades sub 1,000 either yesterday or the day before. So that's a stock to pay attention to. Seplat, I also saw a few Seplat plates that even though Seplat has closes flat 5,450. I saw a few Seplat trades above 5,450 mark, 5,510, 5,6, 5,7, and some fraction. Now, due to the block rule, you need a single block transaction of 100K to move a stock upwards and downwards. And due to the value of a singular Seplat share, it very likely would be difficult to find such moves happening. Because if you work out the numbers, if you're looking at 100,000 block move for Seplat, that's 545 million naira. That's over 500 million naira. Very rarely are you going to have that happen, because those who have, say, 100,000 shares in Seplat did rarely sell. And so really, typically, a lot of times Seplat is trading probably what, 10, 20, 30, 40K, or is trading bits and pieces and all that. But it's a stock to keep an eye on. As a swing trader, if you're able to catch it at, say, 5,450, and who knows if slash when this stock pushes higher, then it's maybe for a short term play. But really, due to the quality of the stock and just the illiquidity, you're very, very unlikely that you see people swing trading that stock. I believe I also have a broader video on Seplat somewhere on the channel as well, so you can also read more or watch the channel to learn more about it. For more content, check out the podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcast, and YouTube Music. I'm thinking I should have, before the day runs out, I should have a video on, or I should have a podcast episode on the Chams issue. Chams, I believe, has its ongoing rights issue, so I may decide to do a video, or both episodes, maybe a Spotify episode and a video. Let's see how the weekend goes, and all that. All links are in my bio on YouTube. You can also find content on greentickettales.com. I think by weekend I should have a compilation of insider dealings on the NGX. So I'm compiling them month by month, but I'll post it on the website as well. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section or send an email to info@greentickettales.com. So have yourselves a good day ahead, and thank you for watching.